So this is the car that is pretty hyped, and by the end of this video I will tell you why this car is a must and why it is a huge hit among the collectors and car enthusiasts. Also, I will tell you one thing that I don't like about this. So with that being said, let's begin with the best car of this planet, one of the best. Okay, it's the McLaren F1, and we have today in this beautiful Grand Prix red color, right? So this is from the HW90s series. So without any further ado, let's get it open, but I don't have my knife here. You'll have to wait a sec. Okay, so let's crack it open. Many of you have not subscribed to the channel. Please do subscribe. It will bring joy to it will bring joy to me, and it will also bring joy to you. Like, you know, you love these videos and the unscripted videos and the knife issues that I have always, right? So this is out of the box. That's a real struggle here. Okay, so this is the base of the car, and this is the first time that I'm seeing such a unique colored base, and this is a very unique way of presenting the base details that they have here. We have the Hotwheels logo, we have the McLaren F1 GRX 57 made in Malaysia, and this is, oh wow, the body silhouette itself is striking. I love this. So we have no livery on this. This is a stock car, and that's what I love. Woo woo! So this is amazing level of detail. Okay, I'm not sure. Yeah, this is just amazing, but I have some issues here. You can see that, right? I don't know why is that. Okay, I can ignore that for time being. Look at that. Tail lamps and the exhausts that are here on the chassis. On the other side we have the same livery. We have the LW wheels for this one. Whoa, bro, is this really Hot Wheels? Hot Wheels, is this you? Giving us such amazing level of details here. McLaren badging, the headlamps, the turn indicators, and as you can see, this has a center seated driving position, and it has this is a 3-seater car. We can see the engine detailings here. At the top we have this cool look, but here is the beauty. Yes, so a little about this car for all my beautiful collectors there. So this is a sports car manufactured by McLaren Cars from 1992 to 1998. It was their first production automobile, right? So in real life, this car was designed by one of the ex-Formula 1 engineer, Gordon Murray. If you haven't heard of him, but I think you might have, and now he's the owner of the Gordon Murray Automotive, and he has built the Gordon Murray Automotive T50S and T50 and T50 and the Spider. So you can check out that video as well in the corner of the screen here, right here. And this was all co-designed by Peter Stevens. This one, Gordon Murray and Peter Stevens, and this was the, what do you say, the F1. Okay, this was the fastest world's fastest car at the time. However, it still remains the world's fastest naturally aspirated automobile. So naturally aspirated engine, this is what it comes with, and in that case it is still the fastest. And I told you about the seating arrangement, right? So center seating position, and either 2 passengers on the left and 1 on the right. And what else? Oh, it is powered by a BMW S70/2 6.1 liter V12 engine. Okay, And amongst numerous enthusiasts and publications, the F1 has been christened. Okay, if you don't know the meaning of christened, it is to give the name, मतलब खिताब दिया गया है इसको, greatest of all time car. This is the greatest of all time car. And usually now the auctions are going for this car for around $10 million. Okay, that's $10 million, not a small amount, right? And only 106 of these were produced at that time. And about this Hot Wheels, this particular model, so this had debuted in 2021 under the HW Exotic series. And yes, without any doubt, the designer of this car is, wait for it, and drum roll, Ryu Asada. Okay, so this lovely car has been designed by him. And look at this, bro. I'll have to keep this as safe as possible. This is a very great car. And you also know, like, this had carbon fiber chassis, and that's why I think they have gone with this color to mimic the original car. It could be that, right? So this is the whole car, and in its beautiful absolute glory. Let's do a quick roll test. Yeah, it rolls nice, it rolls great, and I'm in love with this car. Seriously, I'm in love with this car. So I told you, right, there's something that I didn't like about this car. Yeah, so well, when it was in this box, I was hoping for acrylic headlamps. Okay, and when I saw it for the first time with these wheels, I was like, this is where they might have gone wrong. But my friend, I have been corrected. These are really cool, and usually I don't like cars with this type of wheel. Okay, but this has certainly grown on me, and the thumbnail will tell you a lot, right? So let's conclude the video here today, and before that I will show you a good look of this one, right? Just a second. Yeah, this is the look I was talking about. Look at this beautiful, beautiful car. You know, you can't get enough of it. That is for sure, and that is why this has become the car that I love right now. Okay, I just got it yesterday, and thanks to my friend for getting it. All right, I couldn't find it anywhere, and even my local stores are not stocking up from the last 2 months right now. So yeah, just take a good look at this beautiful car. Alright, so that is it from this video. I hope you learned something today. Please do subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more such amazing cars. Do take very good care of yourself, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy life, happy collecting, and it's puja time.